My dear viewers, welcome back to Ajmera Fashion. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan and our today's video is going to be about fancy girls top and jeans. So please keep watching this video if you want girls top and jeans in a wholesale direct from a manufacturer. So without wasting a time, we are going to start with the samples. So first we are going to see a top collection. Yes, upper collection. So here you can see this is a digital printed fancy top I have with a 3/4 of sleeves and which has a really pretty color combination over here. Isn't this very unique? And same way I want to show you another piece, and you can see here this is coming on a rayon base. Previous we've seen that was on a georgette base. So something this piece we are providing you with the flare kind of work. Now the size is, I hope you can see, that is double XL. Yes, we have small, medium, large, XL, double XL, all kind of sizes available in Ajmera Fashion. Let's move further and let's see another pretty pattern with the sober printed. Yes, I hope you can see the exact look. I have hold it properly. Look, isn't this unique and ideal for a daily wear purpose? So if you want to start business, want to sell this, you can sell, because these things are actually very marginable. So you should definitely add this product at your place. So next piece which I am going to show you with again on a georgette fabric, and you can see some value addition we have done over here. Yes, this is a value addition we are providing you. That is a plus point to you. Let's move further. And one more digital printed. Look at this, very pretty and same way unique. Fabric is also very good, like quality of the fabric, that is really heavy and unique, elegant at the same time. All the patterns are really pretty, really unique and attractive. So these things you should definitely keep. Now I just want to clear some questions what you usually ask me to the comment section, that ma'am, can we purchase single piece? So no friends, only B2B you can join us. Only if you want to start your business, only then you can join us. So keep this important thing in your mind. Second question is, ma'am, transportation available? Yes, all over the world, wherever you are living in this world, out of India, in India, do not worry, we will provide you these things at your place, at your home, at your doorstep. So we have door-to-door step service also available. So it's upon you what you want to choose. We have every single thing available. Let's move further and let's go to the sample one. Look at this. Now you can see the pistachio color we are providing you with a color combination, that just a minor contrast color we are providing you. Same way another long one piece I am showing you. Yes, this is a full long one piece which is a great color and attractive piece at the same time, and fabric is a georgette fabric we are providing you. Isn't this unique and great? So these were just samples. Actually these were just samples. We have wild collection, but this is for me it's not possible to show every single top at place because we have everything set wise. That's why it's my humble request, direct contact us. Numbers are on screen, just call there or message there. Further information our online sales executive provide you, and they will give you all the guidance which is important to order everything online. So friends, this was the samples of our tops. Now we are going to the latest trend, that is this denim jacket. Yes, we have wild collection in denim jacket. So I am going to show you a quick samples. Look, a different color shade. If you want a bit kind of funky look inside that is also available. Look, we have, as I told you previously too, we have all sizes, small, medium, large, XL, double XL, triple XL, all sizes are available. So definitely purchase this and sell this at your place. Again we are going to see this next piece, very unique, and quality of the fabric, that is really heavy. Yes friends, heaviest quality we are providing you. Again we have seen tops, we have seen a denim jacket, then we can't miss the jeans. Yes, these water jeans which every teenage or female loves to wear. Most of the Indian females are wearing this nowadays, so you should definitely keep jeans as a regular wear. We have slim fit, normal fit, or mid waist, high waist, low waist, all kind of jeans that might be a funky, sober, blue, black, all kind of denim jeans we have here. Very pretty funky pattern. Same way, isn't this very unique and attractive? Same way you can see this is going to be a multi button over here with the pocket and a plain inside it. Same way this is a different color, that is a black, and inside that you are getting again multi buttons, pocket, chain, and same way here you are getting a funky kind of look. So same way you can see the varieties, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there were some samples which we've seen. So these were just samples. Now we are going to see some daily wear. Yes, daily wear tops, which I have some other samples. Look, these are usually female loves to wear on a night basis, as a night tracks, night suits, or a teenage girl for a daily wear, just like this. Ideal on a jeans, so you can pair this on a jeans, and you can sell this to your customers too, but only in a wholesale if you want to purchase, not single pieces available. So friends, we have wide range of varieties. You can see 1, 2, like whatever samples we have here, we have wild collection. That's why it's my humble request, want to see anything, numbers are on screen, just WhatsApp there. We have sari, kurti, lehenga, nighty, dress material, every single thing, whatever a retailer need. So do come at Ajmera Fashion. So friends, this was our video about bottom, girls top and jeans. If this video was informative for you, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan. That's it for today. Signing off.